welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Chanel, aka the Rosie Planner, and today we have this one-of-a-kind, no other box like it, Oso Paper and Goldmine and CoCo collab box. Now this box showed up on my feed because I follow both of them, Oso Paper and Goldmine and CoCo, and they sold it. They sold it to me. They probably didn't have to sell it that hard, but they sold it to me, and I bought this box and it's one of a kind. So there are a couple of other YouTubers who I'm going to post down below because I support the community and their come up as well, who did reviews of their box, and their reactions were amazing. And I will be going in with those reactions as well, because this is my first time opening the box. All I did was just cut the paper open, but I did not even lift the lid to see what's inside. So let's just get right into it. But before I do that, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification if you have not already, so that you can get notified every time that I post a video. So let's get into this box. So like I said, this is a one-of-a-kind box. It is a collaboration with these two amazing company sticker, planner community owners. And look at this already. Just look at it. This is just amazing. Now, the first thing we get into, a lot of people were excited about this as well as I am, is a travel luggage bag. So you will put your name, your information. I'm gonna open it up to the side so you don't hear all that. So we have this luggage tag, and look at that, y'all. Like, look at that. They really put their foot in it. As if they was cooking, they put their foot into it, and it's absolutely amazing, and I love it, love it. And I have a trip coming up as well to New Orleans, so I'm super excited I can put this on my suitcase and just get it popping, because I'm fancy. So that's the first thing. Then we have some stickers. I'm gonna open this right now. And here we have 3 pages of stickers. 4. Ooh, how could I miss that? 4 stickers. And on each page is one single, picture or item of them. And both of them are together, because together we can do more. So this one is them traveling. We can look at that. And they have like the smaller size, and then they have a really big size. Then they have a self-care spa day type of picture. Look at them, like, oh, excuse me guys, sorry about that. And then we have them shopping. This is my faves, because this is what I love to do. I love to shop with the girlfriends and the friends, and even by myself. Retail therapy is a thing, guys. It is a thing. And then them in their planner jackets, and yeah. So you have 4 sheets of paper, and like I said, this is a one-of-a-kind box. You will not get these items anywhere else, unless you get them from someone who bought like a million boxes. But besides that, this is very rare. So the first bag we have is like a makeup pouch. It looks like, yep. And the quote, it says, "Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much." And that right here, guys, is the theme of the entire box, is the collaboration, the togetherness, and the women of color just coming together and just being popping in this, planner community. And I absolutely 100% support it to the fullest, because why be crabs in a barrel? Why should we hate on one and hate on the other? Why not just come together and do something great? So inside of this we have goodies too. You see that? You see them goodies? So let's get right into that. So we have the makeup pouch. Inside you have the teal blue fabric, and it seems like water resistant. So if something were to spill in here. So that's the first pouch. And then inside of it we have a patch. Oh, this is going on a jean jacket or something. So we have this patch with both the girls on it, and look at the color on the planner girl in this hot pink. Oh yes. And you could feel the texture of this hair, and that says something. Texture, y'all. Texture, because we are black women and we have textured hair, and that's okay. Then next we have some stamps, and I'm gonna put it on the back of this. And we have some of the images again. We have the Oso Paper Co girl. We have Goldmine and CoCo. We have the self-care ones, we have the shopping, and then we have another planner jacket right here. So this is awesome. Then we have a washi tape, and it's, you know, very functional with the triangles that's on all the other items in the background. And it says to buy, to pay, errands, next, canceled, and so on and so forth. So these are cute, and it looks like it's perforated, so you could probably, like, you know, tear them off. Ooh, excuse me. Next we have a pin. I'm so in love with all the pins in the world. I collect them. And look at the glitter on her jacket, y'all. Look at that. Yes, Goldmine and CoCo. And then here you go again with the textured hair. And then the Planner Girl jacket. This is so cute. This is literally to die for. Like, I absolutely love it. And then lastly, that was in the pouch was, oh, a bookmark. Ooh, you know, I've been wanting one of these like charm bookmarks, but I was like, do I really want to pay for it? But I'm glad that I got this box, because I would have missed out. And look at this self-care. And this is, I like that they did this one as a bookmark, because like you can kind of, I don't know, for me, put it in all your planners, and just a constant reminder of like, take care of yourself. Like, you know, take some time, go to a spa, all that good stuff. So this is really, really pretty. And once again, those colors. And then this piece, you just kind of like slide onto your page, and then it kind of hangs there. I'm gonna put this in my everyday passion planner. It's gonna be so cute. So yeah, so that was what was inside of the bag. I'm gonna put everything back in the little plastikies so that they don't get dusty. And then we have 2 more items in here, it looks like. So we had the makeup bag. Now we have the pencil case. Now there's nothing in here, but you can tell just based off the bottom that it's going to be one that can like sit up. And there's no quote on this, but it just has the Planner Girls, and like it will be able to sit up like that. Boom. Look at that. That is so cute. And then lastly we have, ooh, y'all, it's a tote. Ooh, I've been wanting a tote for the longest. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I've been eyeing the Goldmine and CoCo tote bag. They have some that go in their like monthly, their bi-monthly subscriptions, and I want to subscribe to that, as well as also Paper Co has their own, but they have a collaboration. And then once again, they have the quote, alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. But this image right here, and I made this my phone background when they first sent out some of the digitals, and this is just absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So yeah, guys, if you missed out, I'm so very sorry for you guys. You know, I wish there was more. I really do hope that they do another collaboration, because they have great artwork and they have great products separately, and of course based off of their you know, quote, they could do so much together. But that's absolutely fine. I absolutely love everything that came in this box, and it was totally worth it, because you know how sometimes you like buy stuff and then you have like buyer's remorse, and you're just like, ooh, I don't think I should have bought that. This was worth buying. I'm super excited to you know, use these stickers and to have these pouches in my bag, and to use this tote as well as this luggage thing. So yeah, guys, thanks for, you know, stopping in. Go check out the other YouTubers down below who did review this. You know, like I said, they have different reactions and different things to say about this box. So I'm super excited that I, like I said, went and got this box. And yeah, thank you guys for stopping by. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, as well as hit that bell notification so you get notified every time that I make a video. And stay tuned. I would love to see you guys again in my next video. Deuces.